So now I'm going to show you how we could make a fence. It's a simple technique, but I thought I could just show to you. I have some brown fondant with me. I'm just going to roll it out. If the fondant is not stretching out as you're rolling, then you have to just dust some corn flour on the underside. So I'm just rolling it in a strip because I'm just going to cut it this way. And so the next thing, after I've just rolled it out, I'm just keeping it quite thin. So I'm going to allow it to dry for some time before I'm going to put it on the cake. Now you just need to cut them out into strips. Let me just keep it straight. I'm going to follow these lines. So I could just keep 1 centimeter for each of the strip. I'm just going to get the sides out. Now all the fence have to be like, having some texture on it. You could also do it without it. Some texture adds some movement, so it is good that way. So I'm just going to use the Dresden tool to make lines. That is going to look like wooden plank. So basically just run the Dresden tool all through. We just got the texture done. I'm just going to use the pizza cutter. Just go through just these lines. I'm just going to follow these lines down there. So I have cut through. So what I'm going to do is also make the bottom stretch straight.
So line the top straight.
So then I'm just going to cut through each of them. So that will be the top of the fence. So I'm just going to make a few cuts like this. So my individual fence is going to look something like this. So I'll start making the cuts for each of them. So you can just allow them, you don't have to remove. I'm just removing just a couple, but you can see as I'm removing, you kind of have the shape getting changed a bit. So if you're just going to allow it to be like that, because the scoring has happened, and if it is just still joined together, we could use the craft knife to go on and then release them. So we just allow them to dry out, so it is not too soft to lift, or it's just going to change the shape and the size. So I'll just rest this, and then once they are dried, I will separate them, and I'll get back in the next lesson to show some more elements. Also, we'll meet where we are going to use this fence to put it on the cake. So meet you in the next lesson.